Welcome to another episode on using ADMS, also known as Aquadata Management System. In today's episode, we're going to the next stage of using the daily farm reports. In the last episode, we went through submitting feeding with daily farm reports. And the next activity now is water quality check. Once you've inputted your date and the pond that you want to submit the report for, you can as well proceed. And this is the form you will land on when you want to do water quality check. Do not be alarmed when you see this red line that says select date and time to continue, even though you have selected the date. It's just to remind you that you have to select the time as well. You have to select the time in which water quality check is occurring or occurred. And the star that you see here that is red, this is also an asterisk, is to show that that field is mandatory. And if you don't understand the question that is being asked, you can just hover on this question mark and to give you an idea of what you're supposed to input there. So you write down anything that you have noticed about the water, like color, smell, or if it's cloudy. It helps you track unusual changes in your water. So for today, we can write, we have clean water. And then you can check parameters in case you have devices that you've used to check the water. You can select the parameter which you want to submit for. But if you're selecting water quality observation, you can as well submit it like this without submitting a parameter. But if you want to, the number of selected parameters, once you select it, then you have made it mandatory for you to submit a data with any of that. So if you selected your pH level, then you have to enter a value for that selected parameter, else you will not be able to submit that data. So for your pH level, you have a scale of 1 to 14, which we are aware of. So 7 is our safe space for our pH level, and you can select more than one if you want to submit it. Then if you are selecting just this, you can as well just go ahead and submit your data. It has been submitted successfully. And that'll be all for this episode. See you in the next one.